Welcome Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Swift Attitude 1.2 Dualjet. This vehicle is a 2019 model with 2 keys and only 7,200 miles from new. This vehicle is a one owner and will come with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. Before leaving Luscombe's, it will come with a full service and a complimentary valet. I will now give you an insight to the specification and condition of the car. Starting at the front of the vehicle, we have the signature chrome and honeycomb style grille with the front carbon splitter, daytime running lights and fog lamps. Down the side we have diamond cut alloy wheels, which are 16-inch and all in great condition with no damage. The tyres are also well legal and no cuts or cracks in the tyres. Down the side we have the carbon side skirt with the body coloured door mirrors and door handles. To complement the carbon, we have privacy glass on 3 sides and the gloss black hidden door handles. Carbon rear splitter with a body coloured rear roof spoiler. As you can see from walking around the vehicle, there are no marks, dents or scratches on the paintwork of any kind. I will now give you a quick insight to the interior. Starting in the front, we have wide opening doors allowing ease of access, electric door mirrors with electric front windows, bucket seats with height adjustable function and tilt and slide, with plenty of legroom for 5 adults in the front and the rear of the car. Isofix on the 2 outer rear seats on the 60/40 split system with 3 rear headrests. As you can see, there are various storage points around the vehicle. And if we move quickly onto the interior, we can see we have a multifunction steering wheel with Bluetooth and audio controls, automatic headlamps, and a CD radio player which consists of Bluetooth and multimedia, with a 12-volt charging socket and USB socket down below. Climate control wise, we have aircon and front and rear heated screen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. The vehicle tax is £145, and please remember the vehicle will come with a full service and a complimentary valet. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.